Hey guys, it's Sarah here with
Olivia,
and we are going to do
the mystery wheel of slime challenge. Boom. So basically we have this huge wheel and we have some glue in a bowl.
Yeah.
And we're gonna spin it and you have to put that in your slime. So we have like blue glitter, blue sequins, red food coloring, all this cool stuff. We're gonna see how our slime turns out. Let's get to it! Okay, you wanna spin first?
I'm going to spin first because we know how you make the slime.
Okay,
Go.
spin. Big spin.
Quick on the beast.
Blue glitter! I'm gonna spin while she's
Blue
pouring
glitter.
hers in. Gold glitter! Woo! I love gold glitter, so I'm going to use that.
Give my thoughts.
So here's me and Sarah's slime. We both got glitter. Shaving cream! Okay, let's see what I get. That's crazy in clear glue.
That's it.
Pom-poms!
Lucky.
I'm gonna put 3 big ones.
No!
That's cool. It's like instant snow, right? There it is. Here's your snow, Sarah. Okay.
So I choose snow. So right now I have like blue glitter and a lot of shaving cream.
So in my bowl, I have blue, gold glitter, and pom-poms. It looks really pretty so far. Now I'm going to spin again.
I feel like this.
Blue food coloring. I'm kind of confused, but I hope it looks good.
So I have one more spin.
I wonder what she'll get because right now she has a pretty good like bowl, and I don't know if it'll mess it up getting anything else. Clay.
Yeah.
I don't know what that's gonna do to it. Here is your clay.
I want more.
You want a little bit more? I'll give you a little bit more.
I love clay.
It's really soft.
Yeah,
I don't know what slime Sarah's gonna make because she has fluffy slime, which was the shaving cream, and then she has snow slime, which was like the instant snow. Now she has like butter slime. So it's gonna mix and make probably some weird stuff, but I don't know. This is my last spin, guys. Let's see what I get. Let's see what I get.
Let's see.
My choice. I think I'm gonna go with some nice blue glitter because I have blue food coloring. So I'll go with Sarah left a little bit.
Not use it all.
There we go. That's perfect. Now time to mix.
Yep.
And then we'll
Mix.
activate it. Let's see how it turns out, guys.
My one's not good. Because mine has no glue.
You might need some more glue. You got a lot of shaving cream.
Yeah, it is. Let's do it.
So right now, we are going to activate ours, and then when we're done with the full new product, we will show you guys. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Here is our slime. Take a look at Sarah's.
Yeah, take a look at mine. Mine is so pretty.
And
I like
snow.
blue, glitter, and snow, and clay, and shaving cream.
So this is my slime, and I had some clear glue, and I had gold glitter, blue glitter, pom-poms, and blue food coloring. And it turned out pretty good. The pom-poms kind of made it look a little weird, but it's okay. Sarah, did you enjoy this vlog?
I did. It's my son so cool.
And make sure you guys comment down below whose slime you think is the best. Thanks for watching, guys!